So today I'm installing a winch, a garage winch. What we need is a concrete drill and some concrete studs for our winch. Mark the holes where you want it. Well, there is the 4 holes. Now we need to hammer our studs in. Okay, once you hammer your studs in, just put your plate with nuts and in my case I have to put these washers on as spacers to the head of this bolt, the ones that hold the winch in place. So it might be vary on a winch brands or something, you know, but here where I am right now. Now what you need to do is just tighten your nuts and hold that thing in place. Screw your winch on place and that would be it. Here it is. This is my 2 bolts. So there is 1 and 2 back there. So let's tighten those up, put some power and try. Alright, I had it all bolted on. I just add those cool things that I found on my old battery charger that I just throw it away, and I take those things off. They're just perfect for this project. So let's get a battery and hook it up. Alright, there's a battery, a little piece of chain that I found on my shop. It seems like it's working. Alright, let's hook it up to the car. Voila!